Hello, my name is Judy Williams on behalf of Expert Village, and today we're talking about different ways to decorate your living room on a budget. Another inexpensive item to use that adds a lot of depth to a room are pillows. I've made a couple of pillows that match my sofa that I use on the sofa or that I use in chairs. You can see how smart that looks in the leather recliner. I really like to keep both of them in the recliner to add color and depth. And this is the Christmas season, and again we're using a lot of reds and greens, and you can see that this picks up the colors of the season as well as the color of the room. And I try to think about that as I decorate, because as I mentioned earlier, I like to change things a great deal throughout the year and have different themes depending upon what season we're in.